If you ever feel your phone is full of apps, bookmarks and browser tabs, you've got to try this app. It lets you pack your web apps, shortcuts and bookmarks into smart folders all in one tidy place. Simply create folders with different names, icons and colors and add your stuff to them. It also includes a built-in browser for quick and private surfing. Open any web link in the built-in browser, click the Save button and add it to your preferred folder. It also comes with a dual pin lock and auto lock timer, so you control when things stay private or get locked down. Finding any saved link or shortcut is easy as the inbuilt search is super fast. Best of all, there are no ads and no data sharing. This is a must-have app for every smartphone user who makes typing mistakes like I do. It instantly improves your writing in many ways. Simply type any given command at the end of the text or question you write and get it corrected or receive an answer in seconds. It offers a variety of commands to fix your text, translate it, answer your questions, expand or rephrase your writing, summarize it, make it funny or polite and more. It works with any keyboard and any app such as chats, emails, notes and more. The best part is that you don't have to copy paste or switch apps to use the app. It's a very handy app if you type a lot on your phone. If you want a powerful video player on Android that combines flexibility, quality and a clean interface, check this one out. It's built on the robust MPV Android core and wrapped in a modern UI thanks to Jetpack Compose, so you get high quality decoding, hardware acceleration, subtitles, external audio support, flexible playlist and online streaming options, all without ads. It's a perfect alternative to the VLC media player because it's faster and offers all the features of VLC and more. For example, it supports volume boost and also includes my most used feature, long press to speed up, which is not available in the VLC media player. It's free, open source, ad-free, feature-packed and highly customizable. The next one is a smart alarm app that doesn't let you snooze your way through the morning. You can set classic alarms, interval alarms every few hours or days, or even schedule reminders far into the future. You can also add wake-up challenges such as solving a math problem, shaking the phone, or scanning a QR code to stop the alarm. Alarms are highly customizable and they're not just for mornings. You can use them as reminders for medication, workouts, study breaks, or recurring tasks. It's efficient and works offline. The next app lets you conveniently browse all your social networks in one place without ads. It's an open source app that wraps sites like Instagram, Facebook, Reddit and more under one roof. It loads these social platforms inside an Android web view and automatically injects ad blocking code so you get a cleaner feed. You can also save media from supported networks, zoom media and enjoy a more lightweight, no-bloat experience. Because it's basically a unified privacy-focused browser for social media, login and notifications behave like they would on a mobile browser rather than a native app. It's free, open source and doesn't have its own trackers, which is a good thing if you're privacy-minded. So if you want to cut down on apps and ads, but still access lots of social media, Nora is a pretty neat choice. The next one is a unique wallpaper app that really gives your phone screen some depth instead of the flat wallpaper look. The app comes with 3D style live wallpapers with pop-out iOS 26 depth effect, and each wallpaper comes with a built-in clock and date overlay that you can fully customize. You get a big collection of backgrounds and new 3D wallpapers are added frequently. So try it for free and upgrade to unlock premium wallpapers. And that's my list of the best Android apps to try in December 2025. If you found this video informative, like it, drop a comment below with your favorite app and subscribe for more top Android apps videos. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.